The College of Central Florida offers a variety of programs designed to prepare you to enter the workforce. Agribusiness is big business throughout Florida, with ongoing opportunities for loan officers, extension office management, production management, food safety, and equipment and machinery sales and marketing. This extensive program prepares students to understand budgeting and maintaining financial records, organizing sales and purchases of livestock, crops and equipment, animal husbandry and plant sciences, as well as technical skills for designing and constructing agribusiness-specific resources. Several certifications are available based on specialization, and graduates of the Associate in Science degree can pursue a bachelor's in applied science in business and organizational management with a specialization in agribusiness. Visit cf.edu to learn more about how CF can set you on a path for future success.